Hey guys, so I will try to make a tower defense game using Construct 3. So let's see. First of all, I need the map. I need those tiles, the tile map. So let's do this. And I am using Kenny's assets. Here they have a tile sheet. So I'll just make a basic map, just a path and the ground. So for ground, okay, let's use this. This is the rectangle. Okay, so for the path, I'll use this one, just the basic. I'm not even doing any auto tiling or something like that. It's just basic tutorial. I'll- okay, so if I preview it, it looks okay. So now I need the enemies. So there will be, first of all, I need a spawner for the enemy. Okay, first of all, I'll put this tile map into another layer because I don't want to mess with this tile map anymore. I'll just name it layer and I lock it. I'll create another layer now. Okay. So now I'll create a enemy spawner. This is just a spawner. I'll make it red in color. All right. Now I need to make the enemies. Oh, another sprite. Let's see what Kenny has got for us. All right. This looks okay. Yeah, this looks okay. So they are our enemies, right? And let's see. Let's do this. Okay. So, okay. Every X seconds. So let's say every 0.5 seconds, the spawner will spawn another object, and that is the enemy layer will be 1 because it will be this one, right? Layer 1. And just so that you guys don't get confused, I'll rename it to layer 1. So if I preview it, okay, so you can't see it because the spawner is outside the map. Yes, so enemies are spawning, however they are not moving because we haven't coded that. Let's do this. Every tick the enemy will move forward by 1 pixel. 1 pixel is basically, let's say this is the speed of the enemy. So if you want a faster enemy, you will be increasing this pixel count, I mean this number, right? As you can see, every 0.5 seconds the spawner is spawning the enemy. And if I increase the speed, let's say 2, it should be faster. Yes, as you can see, the enemies are now much faster. Now, okay. So as you can see, the enemy will not follow the path. It will actually go outside the path. Yes, as you can see, it is going outside the path. So I will be using a direction changer. It will change the direction of the enemy whenever the enemy will hit that object, the direction changer. So sprite, another sprite. Now this will actually be invisible to the player. I'll call it direction changer, and it will have a instant variable. So there's an instance variable for this. It will be, let's say, direction. It will be a type number. So whenever the enemy will hit this direction changer, it will change the enemy's angle. So if the direction is 0, the angle will be 0, which is basically the right direction. However, if we want the enemy to go downwards, so whenever the enemy will hit this direction changer, it should go downward. So I will do this direction to, say, 90. So now if I play this, it should go downwards. Okay, sorry, we haven't done the coding for that. So enemy on collision with direction changer, enemy set angle to direction changer dot direction. So direction is the instance variable. Yes, now as you can see, it's going downward, and this will be invisible. So initially visible to false. Okay. Now I need to make the guns. So yes, right. I think Kenny has nice guns for us, those cannons. This one looks good. We will make the direction facing towards right, so that will be 0 degrees. I love to crop it always so that it fits properly. So basically, the sprite should not be much larger than the actual thing where it is visible. So actual thing we are visualizing. All right. So we have the, let's call it one. It will have a behavior called turret behavior. So turret behavior range. Let's say make it 150. Rate of fire. We'll keep it one. We'll keep this first in range. That is. That is, I think, standard for most tower defense game. We want this predictive M projector speed. We'll keep it 500. So we'll now make the projectile as well. This one looks good. We will use it as our projectile. So again, it will facing towards right, and I will crop it. It will have a behavior. First of all, it will have a destroy behavior, destroy outside layout. Also, it will have bullet behavior, and the speed of the bullet will be 500. It should match with the projectile speed. The projectile speed is 500. Then it can make this predictive M. This predictive M works only when the projectile speed is equal to the speed of this bullet. And yeah, we don't need to make any changes over here. So let's see over here when, let's see, start of the layout. Start of the layout. The gun, acquired target, and the target will be enemy. Let's see if it works or not. So is it working? Layout, start of the layout, or I think I need the first enemy to acquire the target first. So I think I'll keep one enemy over here. Yes. Now let's on shoot. Gun is on another object. This is the, okay, I haven't named it as projectile. So it will be layer one as well. Layer one, and I'll rename it as projectile. So let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so it's not working for other enemies. So alright guys, so okay, I made a mistake. So this will be add object to target, right? Not acquire target, add object to target. So now I think I can safely move the enemy outside. Now let's see. Yes, as you can see now it's working. Also over here, so when the projectile is in collision with enemy, the enemy will get destroyed. Also the projectile should get destroyed as well. Also, okay, let me check this one first. Then I'll use an image point for the this nozzle. Because it's looking weird. So new image point. I'll call it nozzle. Which is now here the image point will be one. Also in the projectile, the Z orders and bottom of the layer. Hmm. This one. Okay. So I think I'll move it a little bit. Oh, sorry. So this will be our nozzle. So the position of the point should be over here. Yes, now it's working fine. So we need to place these guns uh, in appropriate places. So we will be creating, let's say, a point where it is allowed for us to place the guns. So let's see if we have something like that. Okay, this looks good. We'll call it gun point. Let's snap it to the grid. Now I'll put the gun away and I'll put the points over here. I'm just pressing the control key and duplicating these things. Okay. All right. So now also I need to import the mouse object. So mouse on object click, this gun point. The gun point will spawn another object. There will be one, and the object will be the gun. So as you can see, if I click outside the gun point, the guns won't spawn. However, here the gun will be spawning if I click within the gun point. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.